Show. So today we're going to machine that beautiful three-dimensional eagle that I put together in ArtCAM for you in the last but one, I think, video. So we'll start off with a bit of rough material, face it off, do a roughing cut, then we'll do a finishing cut, then we'll cut it out. So here we go. Set up to do the roughing cut with the 12mm 3-fluted end mill. The next cut I'm going to do is I'm going to do a run inside cut on this inside edge here to get rid of all this raggedness. On the odd occasion when I've done a 3D relief like this and I'm putting the 3mm ball mill in, it has actually come up against one of these edges and snapped it off. So I'm going to clear this out and make it all nice and clean now, and then we'll do the 3D relief cut. that's not a bad result, straight off the machine. So now all I've got to do is write a small program to get rid of all this piece here, and this piece here, or at least clean it up, and I suppose clean the frame up. Okay, what I've done now is to get rid of that raggedness in the very bottom of the 3D model inside the frame. I've simply just drawn a square in the extremities of the area that I want machined out, and I've just made a tool path for a 6mm tool, and it's going to operate something like this. I'll slow it down so you can see what is happening. You'll see the tool come in from the top here. It'll happen fairly quickly, drop down in and run around twice. It'll take 0.5 millimeter depth of cut each time. There it goes. Cut 1, cut 2. Just to get rid of that raggedness, then pull out. And what I've actually done is I've set the tool position up here 35mm above the material, so when it sort of makes its move to get to the local area there, it doesn't dig into the sidewall or anything. Well, there's the finished thing. Doesn't look too bad, does it? If you're interested on seeing how I made this directly from a photograph from the internet, you need to look at the preceding videos to this. Number 91 and 92 is going to be 93. So I hope you've liked what you've seen, and please subscribe, press like, and if you go to the little red box down there now, I think it is, you press on that, that will take you to my YouTube channel, where there's now going to be 93 videos for you to have a look at. So bye for now.